Public safety programming at Northern Pennsylvania Regional College involves courses and classes for emergency medical responder, emergency medical technician, EMS continuing education, entry-level firefighting essentials module 1, 2, and 3, hazmat awareness and operations, swiftwater rescue, ice rescue, rope rescue, and basic vehicle rescue. All of the emergency services programming involves hands-on with learning how to be an EMT and how to take care of a patient with an assessment and care. NPRC's pass rate for the National Registry EMT is 16% higher than the national average. At NPRC, we can provide training in their home community and eliminate travel. The instructors are local, in person, and are directly engaged one-on-one or in small groups.